Good morning, children. So that day, beta, we have learned how to subtract and add like fractions and unlike fractions. So let us see some questions, beta, on fractions. So we can say a fraction of a collection of and a multiple of a fraction. So the heading is so see beta, let's see some questions. What is 1/3 of each of the collection given below? What is 1/3 of each of the collections given below? And first is 15 pencils. Okay. The question is better 15 pencils. You have to find 1/3 of 15 pencils. So what is the 1/3 of 15 pencils? See, the question is 1/3 of 15 pencils. So of means better multiplication. So we have learned it in the board was BOD, है ना? O, B, O for off, and off means multiplication. So how will you solve 1/3 of 15? Okay, and we have learned how to multiply the fraction and with whole numbers and multiplication of fraction with fraction. So see beta, you can write 15 upon 1 to show the denominator. Now see, either you can divide numerator and denominator, or you can divide in the cross numbers, and numerator is always multiplied, and denominator is always multiplied. So see, 15 is the multiple of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 5 into 1, 5, and 1 into 1, 1. So what is the 1/3 of 15 pencils? 5 pencils. Okay. Now question number C. 21 balloons. 21 balloons. So you have to find the 1/3 of 21 balloons. So again we will write 1/3 of means multiplication of what? 21. Again see beta, it is a whole number and it is a fraction, so we will cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are. So answer is 7 balloons. So what is the 1/3 of 21 balloons? It is 7 balloons. Got it, children? Now let's see. Question number 3 देखो. What is 1/5 of each of the following? 9 children. Again, 9 children. So 1/3 into 9. 3 ones are 3. So 1/3 of 9 children is 3 children. 18 books. 1/3 of 18 books. Again, 1/3 of 18. 3 ones are 3. 3 6 are 6 books. So what, children? So in this way you can find the fraction of the whole. Got it, beta? Now let's see the another. See beta, in the types of fraction, we will learn like fractions and unlike fraction. But other than this, there are proper fraction, improper fractions, and mixed fraction. So see what is proper fraction and what is improper fractions. Numerator fractions having numerator greater than smaller than the denominator. Fractions denominator. Okay, and this type of fractions are called proper fraction. Means numerator is smaller than denominator. For example, 2/5. See, numerator is smaller than denominator. 7/11. 20/100. So in all the cases, numerator is smaller than denominator. If you divide this fraction, so always you get 0 point something. Okay. So this type of fractions are lies between 0 and 1. Always listen. Because if you divide, say divide 2/5 or 7/11 or 20/20. So always you get your quotient 0 point something, whatever the. That means what this type of fractions are always lies between 0 and 1. Now proper fraction, improper fraction. Fractions having, now here the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, see beta, 20/4. So you can divide this. If you divide this, so you will get some whole number parts and or some fraction, whole number and the fraction. Or see, if you divide 4 upon, you get 5. 5 is a whole number. Okay. 13 upon 2, 25 upon 5. See beta, in this case, 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 20, means quotient is what? Whole number. But what about 13 upon 2? 13 is not the multiple of 2, but if you divide it, you get some whole number and some fraction part. And this type of fractions are called mixed fractions. Okay. Now let us see about the mixed fractions. So the whole number part, it is the combination of whole and fractional part. For example, see 2 integer 1 upon 5. So see beta, what is the meaning of this 2 integer 1 upon 5? 2 is the whole number and the 1/5 of the third. For example, see. Suppose if 3 chapatis are divided, okay, so it is 2 full means whole, and the third chapati is divided equally into 5 pieces. One, two, three, four, 5. Okay. So third one is divided equally into 5 pieces. And out of this total 5, one is bigger. See better. So the fraction for this figure is 2 integer 1 upon 5. Base 2 is the whole number, 2 whole chapatis, and one part out of 5 from the third. So it is what? Mixed fraction. Got it, beta? An improper fraction is always written in the form of mixed fraction. For example, see. Five upon 2. So what type of fraction it is? Numerator is greater than denominator, but numerator is not the multiple of 2. Got it, beta? Numerator is not the multiple of 2. So let's divide and convert into improper fraction. 2 2s are 4. What is quotient? Quotient is whole number. Here we get the whole number 2. Okay. What is the divisor? 2. What is the numerator? So you can show it by 2 whole chapati, 2 whole, and the half part of the third one. So here is the third chapati and half part is taken. So what is the fraction for this? 2 integer 1 upon 2, or you can say 5 upon 2. See how to convert mixed into proper. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 2. So it is what beta? Mixed fractions. Got it, children? So I am giving you some questions to solve. So bye bye children.